Your AI mode queries were never in the Generative AI report. As of August 2026, Google Search Console still hides them in the old performance report, the one most shops never open. John Mueller confirmed it after an SEO posted queries that said, "Yes, yes, go on, and yes, pricing. Stay with me." I will show what the June 3rd report actually measures. Why ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini and Google AI overviews still steal the click, and a 4-step check a local shop can run this week without a dashboard consultant. Here is why this matters. A homeowner still asks Google AI mode who can come tonight. They ask a follow-up about Saturday hours. They ask yes, pricing. That follow-up is a brand new query. Mueller said so. Impression, position, and click data attached to that new string, not to the first question. If you only open generative AI reports, you see impressions with no queries and no clicks. You miss the conversation that already happened on your property. On June 3rd, 2026, Google launched Search Generative AI Performance Reports for Search and Discover. The Search Central blog promised dedicated views of AI overviews and AI mode. What shipped was impressions, pages, countries, devices, and dates. Queries were left out, clicks were left out, average position was left out. As of August 11th, the reports were live for everyone. The Search Analytics API still had no generative AI type. BigQuery bulk export still had no AI column. The only official dump is a CSV from the UI. But it gets worse. Search Engine Journal called the new data a trap. Every URL inside an AI overview can inherit position 1 when the block sits at the top. Impression curves go up while organic click-through collapses. SEO Interactive tracked 3,119 informational queries and recorded about a 61% drop in organic click-through when Google AI overviews appeared. Paid traffic dropped about 68%. That is not a win, you put in a monthly recap. Truth number 1. The queries leaked into the old performance report the whole time. Anastasia Kuru posted, "Yes, yes, go on, and yes, pricing." Mueller replied that Search Console includes AI overviews and AI mode in the general performance report. Google Docs say a follow-up inside AI mode is a new query. Long conversational strings and one-word replies are the trail. If you filter only the generative AI tab, you will never see them. Truth number 2. You still cannot get a clean AI mode filter. Glenn Gabe wrote on August 13th that AI overview and AI mode data is mixed with classic blue links. You cannot click a button that says, "Show me only AI mode." Jean-Christophe Chouinard published a custom regex on August 14th to flag conversational strings in the query filter. Shuganthan published a classifier on August 18th that labels about 100,000 queries per run. Those are workarounds, not a Google dimension. Truth number 3, answer engines do not wait for your report. ChatGPT names the shop whose hours match. Perplexity cites the page with a cash price. Claude repeats the office that lists the city. Gemini checks the Google business profile. Google AI overviews answer the how-to before a blue link loads. If your page is adjectives, the model has nothing to steal. If your profile still lists a city you left, the model treats you as a mismatch. Truth number 4. Local shops do not need a 200-page GEO library. You need the 5 questions your buyers type, published as facts a model can map. Emergency, pricing, service area, Saturday hours, the one job you do this week. Then you look in performance for those strings for yes pricing and for the long pasted prompts. The generative AI report tells you a page appeared. It does not tell you the question. Truth number 5. Ranking's done for you, still have to be honest. Ninja does not guarantee a rank, a citation, or a call. Ninja does not guarantee SEER numbers or Mueller screenshots. What it does is the work automatically while you run the shop. Listings, reviews, and the public facts ChatGPT and Perplexity can quote. That is how you show up when AI mode asks the follow-up, not how you inflate an impression chart with no queries. So the job is not to celebrate a generative AI impression spike. The job is to find the hidden queries in performance, match them to real buyer questions, and publish facts the engines can confirm. Ninja is built for that first job. The product checks ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI overviews for the questions your buyers type. When a rival is the named shop because their hours match and your site still says family-owned, the visibility score moves. You see where the models can find a real you. You do not get a reject's homework assignment. You get the work done for you. One independent plumber opened Search Console after the June report launched and only watched generative AI impressions. The line went up, calls did not. In the performance query report, they found, yes, go on, a 40-word pasted prompt about a burst pipe after hours, and Saturday hours near me. Google AI Overviews already answered 2 of those, ChatGPT, named a rival on 3 more. After they published matching hours, a service area, a price range, and asked 4 customers for job-specific reviews, those same prompts started citing them inside 5 weeks. That was not a traffic guarantee. That was looking in the report Google actually filled. If you have never checked this, do not start by buying another month of AI visibility theatre. Open Google Search Console. Skip the Generative AI tab for queries. Open Performance. Search for yes, for pricing, for Saturday, and for strings longer than a normal keyword. Write down who your pages appear for. Then ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Google AI Overviews the same 5 buyer questions. Write down who gets named. Do the same check on your own site. If a stranger cannot find Saturday hours, a service area, and a price range in 30 seconds, neither can Claude. If your Google business profile still lists a city you left, Gemini will treat you as a mismatch. Fix the public record before you argue with a dashboard that was never going to show the question. Here is the recap. As of August 2026, Google Search Console Generative AI reports still have no queries and no clicks. Mueller confirmed AI mode follow-ups live in the old performance report. SEA saw about a 61% organic click-through drop when Google AI Overviews appeared. Step 1. Open Performance, not only generative AI. Step 2. Find yes, pricing, and long conversational strings. Step 3. Run those questions in ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Google. Step 4. Publish hours, service area, and a price range the model can verify. Get started at easyninja.co. Setup takes 2 minutes, cancel any time. Rankings done for you on Google and AI automatically while you work. Stop reading the empty report. Read the one that hid the questions.